In this video, I'm going to show you how to access, customize, and assign templates. So Wixie has a number of templates that you can access and customize and assign. You can also create your own templates to assign to your kids. When you first get into Wixie or you click the home button on Wixie, you see this is where you can create a new project. You also have a list of your projects. So anything you do then will be listed in your projects. This is your assignments if you have assigned anything. You also have team projects, which I'm not going to talk a lot about that. But what you want to focus on here is in templates. You see templates and Burnsville, Egan, Savage templates. You can save some there as well. So if I go into templates here, you can see that there are different categories set up. And I mean, there are not, compared to Seesaw, there's not as many templates, but there are some ideas for you. If I go into like all about me, you can see in here different templates, all about me, some good, probably beginning of the year activities you could do. I go back to templates, you can go into just general areas of like language arts, and I could go into, say, vocabulary. And you can see here different activities. So let's say I went into vocabulary, idioms, and I went into this one. And I could see here and say I liked part of it, just like in activities in Seesaw. You can assign them and you can customize them. If I go in and I customize it, it's basically going to save a copy. And now it's in my editor. I see all my editing tools to the right. I can go in here and change text however I want, add pages, things like that. So it's now in my projects. I'm going to go back to the home button, go into a template. Let's say I'm going to go into one that we created in Burnsville, Egan, Savage. Here's a sticker book that we created for the kindergartners, just so they could learn how to add in images and stuff. So this will be my sticker book. You can see there's 10 pages to this. So it's all off of like brown bear, and then putting in graphics and finding a graphic of a panda bear and putting that in. And an emoji, and it keeps going on and on. So if I wanted to assign this to a class, I could go in up to here to assign. And I have a list of my classes on the right. And these are all my digital learning classes for K, first, and second. So I'm guessing you'd only have one class in yours. And then you have the students where you could put it in just to one or two students, or you can put them into all. I usually in DLS, I click the all, and then I click save. And so it gives you also a start and end date if you want to kind of schedule it out, when they'll be able to see it and when they would have to have it completed by. So I usually put like a month in between there. And then I'd click save. And when the students go into their Wixie account, they will see it in their assignments, which is pretty self-explanatory to them. It's big and bold right in this area. When they first get into Wixie, they'll see assignments, and they'll see that assignment in there. So you have various templates in here you can use and discover. In a little bit, I'm going to show you how to create your own project and then assign it to students.